Good evening and welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing a quick video today of how I make my watermelon, strawberry, ginger and lemon drink. Now I basically blend everything, but I juice my ginger. I have cut watermelon here, some strawberries. This ginger I'm going to run it through my press juicer. And I have a lemon here and good old honey for sweetener, and I might just add a little bit of water, a little filtered water. Now first things first, pour the watermelon and strawberries in the blender and blend. Now you know Vitamix blender is powerful, but I'm gonna go in with the temper and push it down. It's pretty much blended. Now I'm gonna go ahead, squeeze the lemon. It's a matter of choice. I'm just gonna use half. Now, press juicer. I'm gonna go ahead and juice my ginger. Okay, so after I have finished juicing my ginger, I've yielded this amount of juice. I like a lot of ginger in here, so I'm gonna add about half of this in here. And I'm gonna use my strainer and strain it. I forget that Channing loves this, so I can't put as much ginger in it as I would want to. And then some honey. I was about to say let me finish that other jar, but usually the one at the bottom is going to take a little longer. I just, no measurements, just use my discretion. Depending on how sweet you want it, if you want it sweet. I don't like it really sweet, I like it refreshing. So then I'm going to add a bottle of water. So this is 500 ml. And then I'm gonna blend so I don't have to mix the honey and the lemon and everything in. I'm just gonna blend it again. So that's it. I didn't put a lot of strawberry, oops, in this one. So if you want a more rich red color, add more strawberries, because watermelon is not really red. So that's what I did with my first batch. I put more strawberries in it. This is my second batch, and it tastes just as good. Don't be afraid to try it. It's awesome, delicious, refreshing. Thank you guys for watching.